In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Apollo.io. If you've ever found yourself stuck or frustrated trying to access your account, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can log in quickly and smoothly. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. Whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, the choice is yours. Once it's open, in the address bar at the top, type in apollo.io and hit enter. This will direct you to the homepage of Apollo.io, where you can access all the resources and tools the site offers. When you've landed on the homepage, you'll notice several options and links. Look around and find the section where it prompts you to either log in or sign up. You're going to click on the Log In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page, so make sure to keep an eye out for it. Once you've clicked Log In, a new page will load, providing various options for signing into your account. Here you have several methods to choose from. First, you can use your work email. This is perhaps the most straightforward approach, especially if your organization is already integrated with Apollo.io. Simply enter your associated email address and your password in the designated fields and press enter. If everything checks out, you'll be redirected to your dashboard in no time. For those of you whose companies are partnered with Apollo.io, there's another convenient option. You can log in directly through your organization. Using this method often means you won't need to remember separate credentials. Just pick the login with your organization option, and if your company employs a single sign-on service, you'll be transferred to a familiar login screen to authenticate. Moving along, if you're someone who frequently uses Microsoft's suite of products, you might prefer to log in using your Microsoft account. This feature is incredibly handy if you're already signed into a Microsoft service on your device. Simply select the Login with Microsoft option, and if prompted, provide your Microsoft credentials. Alternatively, if you lean more towards Google's ecosystem, you're in luck. Apollo.io offers an option to log in using your Google account. Click on Login with Google and follow any prompts that appear. This method connects seamlessly to your Google profile and brings a layer of comfort if that's the account you utilize the most. And there you have it, folks. Multiple ways to make your entry into Apollo.io smooth, secure, and convenient. Whichever option you choose, you'll be exploring Apollo.io in no time. Thanks for following along and happy browsing.